Disability Arts Cymru is raising the profile of arts created by disabled and deaf people, and we work in collaboration with lots of other organisations. In 2012 we've got the culmination of all our Whose Flame Is It Anyway projects, and also it's our 30th anniversary of Disability Arts Cymru, which we're really looking forward to celebrating.
The work towards the Cultural Olympiad has enabled us to do so much more work with young disabled people. We've found lots and lots of really talented young artists, writers, performers, and it's about raising the bar for disabled artists and their work.
People are getting experiences that they would never normally have in their everyday lives. Ignite the Flame is a group of young writers who are getting experiences across the board from poetry, prose and stories.
We're working with two groups of writers, one in Cardiff and one in the Valleys with Valleys Kids, and their work will be produced in an anthology which will be published in July 2012. There are many talented young disabled people producing visual art in Wales, ceramic, pastels, oils, all kinds of different media, and Go Get Started has been bringing all of that work together.
And we've had over 250 applications of artwork. 25 of these have been chosen to go towards an exhibition in 2012, and we've also got some postcards being produced which will be posted around 25 venues across Wales. Rise and Shine Drama Group, we've got one in South Wales and one in North Wales. They're drama groups for young disabled people, mostly with learning difficulties, who really enjoy drama, and we've seen the groups really grow in confidence and they absolutely love performing.
It's very exciting for us to think that we're meeting new actors, devising their own material, writing new scripts. It's fabulous, and we hope that these groups are going to continue. Unusual Stage School actually started in 2006, and they're a group of performers, all of whom want to work as professional performers.
We found some fantastic talented young people, and then we're working towards a big performance in 2012 which is based on Aristophanes the Birds.
Our projects are happening all over Wales, including Galeri Dance in Carnarvon. They are a group of dancers with learning difficulties. The young people involved had not done any dance before. They're devising their own work, and it's just wonderful. I'm so pleased that the Whose Flame project has enabled us to do this. Whose Flame Is It Anyway has enabled us to provide mentoring for a very talented young composer, Lloyd Coleman. He's writing a piece of music for 2012, and part of that will be performed by BBC Now at St David's Hall in March, and his music will also go with performance by other UCAM members. It's young musicians working at the highest level, and it's so important for disabled artists to have those opportunities to be inspirational role models for other young disabled artists, and also to show the world what we can do. These young artists are going to continue going on and doing great stuff and doing more and more.
It's great to be able to be a part of the Cultural Olympiad and work alongside all these really talented people.
Just wonderful. It's the limelight where there hasn't been limelight, and it's just great. I want more of it.